This is about the biomechanics and the movement chain.
Just like the domino chain, it works in perfect logical order until one or a few of the elements are out of place, which then has a massive effect on its functionality. And if this was your body, having one element out of place is what causes niggles or even injuries. So we're always aiming for the optimal chain. Anything that involves motoric function or motoric coordination follows this exact logic. So in many of our household items, everyday movements, anything we do, if it's opening and closing something or going in and out of a car, walking up and down the stairs, putting on our clothes or picking something up, whatever it is, we do follow a specific logic of a specific movement chain specific to that particular action that we're performing. You can see it here. Something's just not quite working. Why? Well, because I've skipped a step. And my body knows that it has to figure out the right way of following and honoring this chain. And it's the very same with our movement. Our body knows when something's not quite right, and it sends a signal of either a niggle or even a pain. And it's up to us to find out where in the chain something needs to be addressed. Sometimes in movement, it seems that people forget and they just think it's one movement, it's one action. But there is a chain, there is a logic of step by step behind the action. So whatever you do, make this chain something that you study. Make it something that never jumps or skips a step. But it's always a smooth, consecutive lineup of a step by step process. Let your body feel it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And no matter the tempo, the steps stay the same. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Clasp, lid open, lid close, clasp. So you take the clasp to unhook it. You wait for the full process to have concluded before you then take the lid and open it. Never ever anticipate any steps of this chain. You then close the lid, you hook the hook back into place, and you close the clasp. Whether for a glass jar or for a biceps curl, always honor the full process of the chain. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.